Joe Beermaster. I have a typical Hyundai key fob. This key fob is on many models: Sonata, Elantra, Tucson, Azera, and many other models. So if your battery goes dead, this will not work anymore, and you also get an indication on your dash sometimes, most of the time. So I'm going to show you how to change the battery. And hidden in here is a key fob, a valet key, they call it, in the fob. Press this button here and the key comes out. So that's the first step to changing the battery. Now if this is dead, it's not going to open the door. You can use this valet key and that will do the job. So now we have this out. You want to turn this sideways. Here, stick the key in. Now this is the back piece, this is the front. You want to get this back piece off. Some people will stick a butter knife in here and work it off. What I do is hold it here. This is just a decorative housing. I hold it and then I pry this way, pry back. I put it in. It's hard to do this way, but nothing will happen if you work it. See, I pulled it and it came off. So when you open it up, you have the computer chip here. Be careful not to lose it. And you have where the battery is. Unfortunately, the battery was removed from this, so I can't show you what it is, but it would, you just basically pop it out. Positive side of the battery faces down. And that battery is a CR2032. You can get it at any pharmacy, you can get it at any automotive supply store, etc. Or big chain stores have them. So basically you want to slide the battery back in. This is sort of a spring here and a connection, so you slide it in. It will hold. Positive side down, see the little plus, and then you want to just click it back together. You want to make sure it's firmly clicked. Alright, now we're going to put the valet key back in. Click that in, and you've successfully changed the battery for your Hyundai key fob. Again, it's a CR2032. The number will be located on the battery. It will give you the information, usually on the positive side of the battery. So this whole process, if you do it right, should take about 2 minutes. You want to be careful the computer chip does not fall out. That's important. So put it all together, go out and test it, and it will work. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.